Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to create an account on Reddit if you haven't already. So at first you must log in into your Reddit app via your phone, and after you're on this page, you can use this app without making an account as well. So if you aren't using an account, that's fine as well, but if you want to use an account and create an account, you need to click on the top right corner where this icon is shown. So after you click that, there is written sign up and login. After clicking on that, if you want to continue with Google, you need to click on the first one. If you want to continue with Apple ID, and the third one is for emails. If you are already a Redditor or if you already use an account, you can simply click on the login button right here and go on. So if you have an Apple ID, you click on this. I have a Google ID, so I'm going to click on this one. After you wait for a couple of seconds, they will take you to a different page and you are already signed in if you have already logged in your Google account. So as you can see, I am back at my Reddit account now. I'm already signed in as Spirited Day 9736. You guys can see here. So this is my Reddit account. I'm already logged in with my Google account. If you haven't logged in with your Google account and if you want to log in again, you can use a different account and log in again. And this is how you create an account on Reddit. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.